In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Calendly invite. Whether you're managing meetings, coordinating schedules, or ensuring your invitees have the right details, knowing how to quickly resend an event invitation can save you time and avoid any potential confusion. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies the way we plan and organize events, but sometimes we need to make sure everyone has the correct link to join. Let me walk you through the exact steps to resend a Calendly invitation, quickly and efficiently. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your main hub where you can access and manage all of your scheduled events. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account to continue. Once you're in, locate the specific event for which you want to resend the invitation. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. Calendly's search feature can help you quickly locate the event by typing in relevant details. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple events scheduled. Once you've found the event, click on it to open up the details. This will give you more information about the event, including its title, date, and time. Now, look for the Copy Link button or a similar link option. Click on it to copy the event's unique link directly to your clipboard. This step ensures that the correct link is ready to be shared, so your recipient has the exact details they need to join the meeting. Now that you have the link, let's move on to sending the email. Open Microsoft Outlook, which we'll use to send the invitation. Once it's open, click on the New Mail option to start composing a new email. In the email window, enter the recipient's email address into the To field. Take a moment here to double-check the email address. It's always a good idea to confirm it's correct to avoid any delivery issues. Next, move to the body of the email and paste the Calendly link you just copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V if you're on Windows, or Command+V if you're using a Mac. Either option works, so choose whichever is easiest for you. Before you send the email, take a moment to review everything. Check the recipient's email address, ensure the Calendly link is properly pasted, and verify that the email looks professional and clear. Once you've ensured all the details are accurate, go ahead and click the Send button. This step will send the email, making sure your recipient has all the necessary details to join the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully resent a Calendly invite. By following these steps, you can ensure that your invitees always have access to the correct event details, helping you stay organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.